All right, I'm back again. Okay. Yeah, Russia is tough, yo. Okay. Just want to explain something before we proceed to the predictions. All right. Here, when we play the numbers or when we view them either in numerical order or draw order. All right. I like using this website. It's called stoloto.ru 645 archives. So the reason I like using it's because you can view the results in two different uh, order. You can view them in numerical order, and you can also view them in a draw order. In a numerical order, what we mean is they arrange the numbers from the smallest to the biggest. For instance, here, they've arranged 2, which is the smallest, and then the biggest number is 45. That is the last number they will place. I mean, this is a 645, meaning that it has 6 numbers and it ends up until 45. All right, and then if you want to change the order, you click here. Right, you see now, this is a numerical order and this is the draw order. Okay, what happens here now is you see them the way they've dropped from the machine, from the first number that dropped from the machine up until the last number that dropped from the machine. So the first number here was 45. Okay, and then the last number to drop from the machine was number 2. Okay, I hope I'm clear with this order, né? Explaining the orders. All right, let's move on. Okay, what we did was we only followed the numerical order, which was wrong. These guys, what they did is they followed the draw order. Okay. I predicted that they will follow this order, but they didn't. Okay. So let's do what they did. Okay. Let's mimic. Let's be copycats. Let's copy them. Right? That's how you win this thing. You need to copy what they did. All right. Okay. 27 plus 6 is 33. 42 minus 27, 15. Okay, you see, it's more like a zigzag sequence. Okay, 44 minus 42, it's what? It's a 2. All right, let's also have a backup. Okay, let's also have 3. 26 minus 23, it's 3. All right, these are our bankers now. We've got 2 and we have 3 as a backup. All right, now let's find numbers to pair with our bankers. There is a sequence here. Okay, I don't want us to have many numbers, but I also think this is important. There's a strategy or a sequence that's going on here. 44 minus 11, 33. 29 plus 13, 42. 35 minus 33, 2. I don't know if it's gonna continue or it will stop. I don't know, but let's give it a try. There is nothing wrong with trying, okay? So 38 minus 15, it's what? 23. Okay. All right. Then we move on. I don't want to explain too much things, okay? But this is another strategy they like using. They can pick any number from any row and they can subtract or add any number from 1 until 10. Ne? This is something that you need to observe. This is something that you need to always look out for. 29 minus 3 equals to 26. 33 minus 3 equals to 30. So 15, they can add or subtract. Okay, so we can have 12 or 18. We can have 12 or 18. Right. Okay. Please bear in mind, we also need to check the other order, which is the numerical order. Okay, you're gonna see something here. All right, let me save this one so I can show you on the numerical order. Okay, here's the numerical order. All right, see, the same thing happened here. So we are not high. The same thing happened. You see? So you can add or subtract 3. 33 or 27. You pair them with 2, which is your banker, and your backup, which is 3. Oh, sorry. I need to use the same color. Don't want to confuse people. All right. Yeah. Okay. What I'm going to show you next, it's a strategy that will back up 18. Now, I think I've explained this strategy before. You take the two small numbers, the first two small numbers, 1 and 6, reads as 16. You can add 1 or subtract 1. Okay, there is 15. All right, let's do another example. Here it is, 2 and 6, that's a 26. add or subtract 1, you get 27. Okay, look what happened now. Sometimes if they don't play that number, they skip, and then the draw that follows, they play that number. So since we've got 1 and 8, which makes 18, you see here nothing happened. They didn't play 18, they didn't subtract or add, nothing happened. Okay, so there is a high possibility that it might play. Please underline might, nah? And don't come here and accuse me and say that yeah, you said 18 played and it didn't play. All right, yeah, let's observe what will happen on draw 3. But I'm confident with the numbers we have. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. All right. Thank you.